how it's moving.
See how it's moving? What's moving? How it's revving? Yeah, how it's moving, huh? Yeah, that timing throws off. Wow.
It's too low in RPMs.
Yeah, but that doesn't happen.
Yeah, but you got a fuel problem?